my job as a supervising producer and now as a senior supervising producer. So when any project is greenlit for the production, I get a budget in which I have to deliver the entire project, which includes pre-production, production, and post-production. So it starts with I get a director and a script. Accordingly, we make a timeline depending on the brief. If we have a release date fix, or if there is any brand or there is any OTT platform which to which we have committed a deadline, accordingly then we work backwards, and accordingly how much time is needed for the post production, how many days it will take to shoot the entire show, and then how many days of pre-production is needed. Accordingly we make a plan with the first hiring is first AD as soon as the project starts. So with first AD, director and me, we sit together and we make a schedule accordingly. This is the timeline we have to follow. Accordingly, then based on the script and the brief of the director, we hire the crew. So I shortlist people. I meet them first, and if I find them good enough to be able to make them meet with the director, so I hire a crew which is again like as per the brief of the director, sort of people he needs. And then accordingly, then we execute the pre-production. Then the post-production, based on brief, we look for the locations, we look for what is the best way to execute the project. That is very important for the show. There are very project specific things which you need to do. So we ensure that they are definitely done the way director wants, because when you have a very limited amount of time and budget and resources, so there are certain things which really needs to be protected. And I feel as a producer, my job is to protect the director and his vision. It's very easy for me to say, yeah, this is not possible because I don't have the budget, but then this can be done by anyone. So you really have to find a way to get the things done in the same budget you have been allocated, and then serve to the essence of the script. So that protection is really important, and that's what I feel that this is what producer does, to ensure that director is able to execute the vision he or she has. So we make a schedule accordingly. We try to, if I'm not able to get the exact thing, then the next step is to get the nearest possible thing, so that director can work around it, or give him at least a few more options to choose from, rather than just saying no to it. Understanding the essence of the script and bringing things which can actually serve the script, if not the exact thing you are getting. And then we execute the show. We pre-plan it to the detail, like everything is on paper before we go on floor. We are to the point. We know, okay, the 5th day, 4 scenes, this scene will be shot for 1.5 hours, this will take 3 hours, this will take 4 hours, the last one is like 1 hour. This is to that much detail. Which day any special equipment will be used, everything is done in pre-production. Shoot is purely execution. Only person who has some leeway to change things is the director. So that eventually when they see the frame is when they are actually able to realize what they were thinking was whether it was correct or not. So you really have to give that space to the director, and this is what I try to ensure as a producer, the person should get it. So we execute the project very clinically. At least my job is to execute it clinically, and then prepare for the things what can go wrong on one particular day is what again part of my job, where I really have to think ahead of everyone to see this is what we are going to do, and these are the 5 possibilities which can happen on that day, and then prepare accordingly. This is what I do when I'm on set. So I'm always a few days in advance, or say few locations advance. So this is how we do the shoot.